Welcome, in front of me is LG G8X, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously open up settings. From here scroll down to system, and let's find reset or restart and reset. Tap on factory data reset. It will give you a message that performing this will remove your Google account, system app data settings, downloaded apps, digital rings. It basically removes everything, but the most important part is right here, the music, images, documents, and backup. So if there's anything like that you would like to keep, probably for instance the photos that you have captured with the device, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you already have done it or you don't want to, simply tap at the bottom reset phone and delete all, and once more reset, and the process will now begin. Now this will take probably a couple of minutes, and once it's finished we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.